Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm working in the computational material science and it deals with modeling of material. To predict the new material, modeling of material is necessary. There are various visualization packages such as Existing, VESTA, JMOL, GaussView. So among these visualization packages, generally the researchers are using the VESTA software. So I would like to show the VESTA website. So this website, it shows the download packages. This VESTA has the download tab and it is easily freely available. So there are various versions. For Windows, the zip files, and for Linux, the tar or RPM files. According to your workstation, you can download these files on your workstation and install easily. Further, there are two important links, that Bilbao crystallography server and crystallography open database. It gives us the open database packages, open database for the zip file or concar or posca files. So in this way, you can install the VESTA software. I installed my VESTA packages on my workstation. I would like to show that folder, VESTA folder. Here I install the VESTA package and there are a number of files are installed. Among these, the application file, it opens the software. So I will show the window that opens the file. So the VESTA is open now. So there are various tabs like file, edit, view, objects, utilities, help. So how to open the structure? In the file tab, you can open the file and go to the particular folder. So I open this file using this tab. So I built the one cluster 5 atoms of copper atoms, but there are no bonds. So how to set up the bonds? Go to the edit, bonds. There is the range for the minimum length to the maximum length. How to set up this range? Go to tab new, the copper atoms. So the range is minimum length 0 to maximum length. First of all, I'll set the 2.4. Okay. But all the bonds are not accessed. So I can change my bond length. Again in the edit bonds, I can set 2.45 and will show the difference. Yes, my structure is ready now. So in this way, you can set up your structure. Thank you for watching this. Thanks.